So if you're going to be using a pipette, you're going to need your pipette pump and your serological pipette. And for your serological pipettes, the one that we're using here is a 10 milliliter pipette. So if you only wanted 2 milliliters, you don't go up to the 2. You go from the 9 to the 8. So the 9 would be 1 milliliter, the 8 would be 2 milliliters. So if you want to draw liquid up, you're going to turn the dial towards you, so facing down, and notice that the top goes up. That's what you're going to do to draw the liquid into the pipette. Now, when you're going to release the liquid, you have two choices. You can either dial the dial down, which actually means to push it up, or you can push this release button, and that will also allow the liquid to come out of the pipette. So to use your pipette, you're going to take your pipette pump and you're going to place it on the pipette. When you put it in, you want to make sure that it's not jammed in there. You don't want to break it, but if you don't put it in enough, it's going to start leaking. So if it's starting to leak, make sure that it's on there tightly. So you want to line the numbers so that you can see them. Put the pipette in your dominant hand. Now you're going to put the pipette into the liquid and you're going to slowly turn the crank, and you're going to draw the liquid up. So if I'm trying to get 10 milliliters, I'm going to draw the liquid up to the 0. Now you kind of want to get down at eye level to see if the bottom of the meniscus is lining up at the 0. So now my meniscus is lining up at the 0, and notice that my pipette's not leaking, which means I have a good seal. So I'm going to take my liquid, I'm going to transfer it into the beaker that I want to put it in, and now I'm going to dial the pump down, and my liquid's going to go into my beaker. Now you want to make sure to blow all the liquid out. So check to see if there's any liquid. You might want to just draw the pipette up and down quickly to make sure that there's no liquid left in the pipette. And notice that when I'm done, there's no liquid. Now I have 10 milliliters in my beaker.